Hello and welcome. This is a video to show you how to use the f-test for two variances. In order to perform the test, in order to conduct the test, we need to essentially fill out these boxes here with the information from the specific problem. Excuse me. In this case, I'm going to show you a concrete example that can show you how to apply the solver on a concrete situation. Let's say that we have the following problem. It says, a sample of 25 concession stand purchases at a show on October 22nd showed a mean purchase of $529 with a standard deviation of $3.02. For the October 26th evening, for a sample of 25 purchases, the mean was $512 and the standard deviation was $214. So the means appear to be very close, but not the variances. At a significance level of 0.05, is there a significant difference in the variances? Well, that's a typical example. Here we are provided with information about two samples. Sample 1 contains 25 elements and has a standard deviation of 3.02. And sample 2 has also 25 elements and has a standard deviation of 2.14. So we're interested in assessing whether or not the variances have a difference. So in that case, we're interested in testing this. The null hypothesis is that the variances are equal, and the alternative that we're interested is that they're different. So after we have decided that, based on the wording of they're saying this, there's a difference in the variances. When they say one variance is less than the other one, you will use something like this. But in this case, they're talking about the one that assess the difference between the two population standard deviations, so you have to put a non-equal sign there. Okay, so for the two variances, the sample sizes are 25. That's easy to get it from the problem itself. And then the significance level alpha is 0.05, 5%. So we'll just type 0.05. All we need to do now is just get the sample variances. All right. And they're giving us the sample standard deviations. So one sample standard deviation is 3.02. In that case, we need to convert this into a variance. So we get 302. We square it, and that's the sample variance. And then for the other sample, you have that the standard deviation is 2.14. But I want the variance, so I get 2.14, and I square it. And very simply, I paste it. What do I do now? Nothing. Just click on solve here and see what happens. After 1 second, you get here a fully detailed step-by-step solution showing you the information you have, showing you the null hypothesis, showing you the rejection region, showing you the test statistic, showing you the decision about the null hypothesis, the conclusion, and the relevant confidence interval. And don't forget, you can start over here, so you reset, put this back to the original empty form, or if you made a mistake here, oh, it was not 25, it was 24, well, just simply change it by 24 here, solve it again, and you have the updated solution. Or then if part B says now do it with a significance level of 0.01, well, just change that and solve it again. So what's going to change here is the critical, based on the significance level, you have a different rejection region, and etc., etc., etc. And as usual, you can take this information, copy it, and then paste it on whatever word processing software you're using. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next video.